coming in right now. Narcotics Control Bureau officials are telling India today that the Bureau, the NCB remand will not ask, the NCB will not ask for Ria's remand. We are not asking for her remand. We have examined her for 3 days. So we are not asking for Ria's remand, say sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau. Pankaj, what does that mean? Explain that for us. The NCB saying we are not seeking Ria's remand as we have examined her for 3 days already. What does this mean?
Yes, Shiv, as I was saying, you know, all sorts of twists and turns in this story. First, she is shown as arrested. Then she is brought in for medical examination here. And now we are learning through our sources that perhaps the Narcotics Control Bureau will not be seeking the remand. What that clearly means is when she is taken in front of the judge, she would in all likelihood be sent to judicial custody. The reason for this, as the sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau are saying, that they have questioned her enough for 3 days. They have all the details at hand, and now they do not need any remand for further questioning. I think from here on, it is not going to be very hard for Ria Chakravarti to get bail as well. But now the NCB, interestingly, which on many remand applications has been saying two interesting points. One, that their concentration is not only on this very case, that is the Sushant Singh Rajput drug angle case, but they are looking at the larger angle, that is that of the nexus of the Bollywood industry with the drug mafia, and they intend to burst this very citadel. And already 14 to 15 names are doing the rounds, though again we will say the NCB officials have not come on record to name anyone, at least at this point of time. So it remains to be seen as to what plan of action does the NCB is going to have from here on. But let me also add, while we are giving out every perspective to the viewers, Shiv, Ria's name has nowhere come up as far as procurement is concerned or selling is concerned. At the best, what the agencies are saying that yes, definitely she has been a facilitator. And secondly, she's also been in charge of harboring the people. Samuel Miranda or be Dipesh Sawant, these are the former staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput. So Ria Chakravarti clearly knew that these people were procuring drugs from the drug peddlers. But in spite of the fact, she continued with their activities, and so she played a very important role of the facilitator. But this is very interesting development. NCB is not going to seek her custody, unlike the one of that is of Souvik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, whose custody interestingly is going to end tomorrow. Initially, many people were saying that perhaps this could be a strategy of the NCB, that tomorrow they could say that the cross-examination and questioning is also very important, and therefore it is imperative that she be given custody. But that is not happening. We are learning through our sources that will not happen. NCB is not going to seek remand of Ria Chakravarti. That in all likelihood means that she is going to be sent to judicial custody, and from there on, since she has a lawyer like Satish Mani Shinde, for her it's not going to be much of a difficult task to get bail from there on.
Okay, so we'll have to see what happens. The NCB saying we will not seek her remand. Does that mean that Ria will go into judicial custody and then get bail? Is this entire case going to blow up into a much larger drug hunt in Bollywood? Okay, I want to quickly, because the developments are so rapid here on this story, I want to bring Sahil Joshi, who heads our Mumbai operations, also in on this story. Sahil, what are you making of this? What are you hearing from the Narcotics Control Bureau? They are saying that they will not seek Ria's remand because they've already examined her for 3 days. What are you seeing play out next, Sahil?
You know, it's very clear that Ria has, as per Narcotics Control Bureau officers, that Ria has not accepted that she consumed herself the drugs, and there is no recovery from Ria Chakravarti. They wanted to know about the whole nexus which is working in the film industry as well. She has maintained her stand that she was procuring drugs because Sushant Singh Rajput wanted it. She has not accepted that she herself has ever consumed drugs. Neither it has come forward from any of the people who have been arrested till now. There are Souvik Chakravarti, the house staff of Sushant Singh Rajput, and no one has told NCB that Ria was also involved in consuming drugs. Neither Ria has accepted it. So right now, NCB has decided not to seek custody of Ria Chakravarti. So it's likely that she will be sent to judicial custody. Judicial custody is the custody of the court. So of course, if that happens, then the Ria Chakravarti's lawyer can apply for bail in the higher court. But it's like, of course, the NCB will oppose the bail application because they would want to keep questioning Ria Chakravarti whenever they want, and they can ask the court to get her from the judicial custody to seek some interrogation. And that is the reason why they would force for the judicial custody at this point of time, but they will oppose the bail application of Ria Chakravarti. So the information what we are getting, that she will be produced in the court via video conferencing at 7:30 in the evening. After that, if they don't seek custody of Ria Chakravarti, because she has already been interrogated 3 days in a row, and after that they have decided to go for an arrest. They claim that they have enough evidence to arrest her, enough grounds to arrest her. So Ria will be produced via video conferencing. The NCB, if does not seek custody of Ria Chakravarti, she will be sent for the judicial custody. And after that, it's obvious that the Ria Chakravarti's lawyers will push for the bail for Ria Chakravarti. This is what it looks like at this point of time. So this is another FIR which was registered by NCB, and all the sections right from consumption to procurement to the facilitating the drugs and peddling as well, all these sections were mentioned in the FIR. Now, how many sections actually comes out on Ria Chakravarti's role in this particular FIR is something which will be revealed during the probe further, or whenever they will go for filing the charge sheet. But at this point of time, she has been arrested in the FIR in which all these sections are already mentioned. So this completely looks like that the NCB has arrested Ria Chakravarti, but they will be telling the court that they don't need further custody of Ria Chakravarti at this point of time. This is what it looks like at this point of time when she has been going through a medical examination at Mumbai Sion Hospital. Shiv.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.